Hello and welcome to another Vaultuz tutorial. This one is about creating shares. Shares are a brilliant way for you to show off your work. You can create a share from the quick menu on the dashboard or from the quick menu in the navigation pane. I'm going to create a share from the Shares page. From the Shares page, click on New Share. Give the share a title, then give the share a greeting title and an introduction. There's some default ones here for you. You can change them and they will be saved for later. You can select a particular image for this share. This is for your purposes. I'm just going to pick this one. To include pieces in your share, click on this button. Select the piece you'd like to share, and then select the images for that piece. If the piece has multiple images, you can select one or more. I'm just selecting the only one available here. I'm going to select another one. You'll notice that this piece has two images, so I'm going to include both of them in this share. I'm going to select one more image with one more piece and add that in. Okay, there's three pieces in this share now. I can use this button up here to select who I want to share it with, or select the public switch so that everybody can access this share with this URL. There's also a QR code that you can select and download. This is great for if you're at an event. I'm just going to select Gary as the only person that can access this share. I'm going to remove the send share link so he doesn't get an email on this occasion, but if I left it in he could. I can see that this person has not yet viewed that share and I can remove him. Down the bottom there's some tick boxes. I can include or exclude these particular pieces of information around the item. I'm just going to keep description and comments for now. I could also include the status of the piece and the price of the piece. I'm going to click Update. I can see from here that there are no comments on it and that it is shared with one person. There's currently been no views. I'm going to open up that share just to take a look at it. You'll see at the top there's the information that we saved earlier, plus the image from my profile. You can see the pieces that are part of this share, and if there's any comments related to them. At the moment there isn't any. I'll add one just to show you. This will be the person who's going to comment on your piece. His name is John and he just says it's lovely. For pieces that have more than one image, you'll be able to see each image in the slider. And right at the bottom there's a Get in Touch pane. So anybody that looks at this share can get in touch with you. Okay, from here I can make the share inactive so no one can access it. There's John's comment, he loves it. I'm going to like it. Thank you, John. You can delete the comment if you like, or close that window. You can see how many people that this is shared with, and it is only one, that's Gary. I can also make the share inactive with the top left toggle. QR code is at the top left. With the QR code you can print it out. Perhaps if you're taking some pieces to an event, you can stick this QR code up. People who look at those pieces can also have access to the share with a bit more information about them. Okay, I think that's everything on shares. Thanks very much for your time. See you in the next tutorial.